Ramogi TV.
Riwruok mar jotich mbalariany ma Nairobi UASU koro dwaro mondo sirkal oriembe tich jakom mar duol mar mbalarianyno ngire Amokowa Anangwe. Kotelnegi kod jakom mar UASU pacho ka endi Grace Nyongesa, UASU lero ni telo marach, mibadhi kod tiyo arietha gi omenda mag piny owacho sani mohinyo sekta mar somb mbalariany. Simpros Okinda nigi ler mar wachni.
E okang' machielo mbalariany ma Nairobi oyudore kama tek.
Solidarity forever.
Riwruok mar jotich UASU seyo ten duol mar mbalarianyno kuom gima giwacho ni telo mar agoko, tiyo arietha kod omenda kaachiel kod sando ngima jotich, gima kidek wito tat somono e dand guogi. E twak margi kod jofwambo, UASU dwaro sirkal mondo ring mapiyo kendo res mbalarianyno e lwet duol mataye ma giwacho ni nyalo biro miyo mbalariany ma Nairobi podho.
The University of Nairobi, as we know it, is dying. That is the truth. And we say this not to create panic or gin up unnecessary attention, but out of our care as UASU for this great national strategic institution. University of Nairobi has been hijacked by buccaneers, and it is now a theater of intrigue.
We have seen Moi University being strangled to death in our eyes. Public universities must get the protection they need. We are calling government to protect the University of Nairobi. It's a national asset that the public has invested for so long. We cannot allow it just to collapse.
Jopuonjruok mor kod chenro mar higni ariyo manyocha oyangi kod duol man mbalarianyno ka giwacho ni otime ataro mar chik ma ok onywando kata pachgi kendo chal ka gima iko mbalarianyno mondo bi ouse.
This document illegally wants to tinker around with the composition of the council so that it includes legal and management experts who we know already are identified. Staff are unaware such a document even exists. They are uninvolved.
Gilero ni kato bedo ni mbalarianyno sani laka gi chonge kalore kod omenda mamedo mana duono. Duol mar skunno motelne kod ngire Amokowa Anangwe ogero chenro madhi medo yako omenda matin ma mbalarianyno odongo sani.
The Chancellor is also going ahead to become a cost center by even establishing an office around the towers. All these are cost center issues, yet we are talking about an institution that is in financial dire straits. That document, again, burdens the university by suggesting that the council should have bi-monthly meetings. The cost of hosting council in one session is close to $500,000.
The Chancellor is having a viola, which is being paid over 500,000 shillings by the university in current per month. He has 10 security armed police to guard him. He doesn't have confidence in this nation. He's from a different country, from outside Kenya, and if he thinks that Kenya or Nairobi is so unsafe for him, he should go back to his home country.
UASU koro dwaro mondo duol makedo gi mibadhi EACC okaw okang' ne joma sani ong'amo dhoggi ne yako mwandu mag mbalarianyno.
Business people out here and politicians that are now struggling with what to take from the university. There's some who have actually eyeing land that is just behind KBC, the studio there, between Boulevard, around there, apartments that belong at the graduate apartments. They want to grab it. This is a fact. Let them say it is not.
UASU geno ni sirkal dhi winjo ywaggi kendo kawo okang' mowinjore mar reso mbalarianyno e lwet achudhe.
It shall never be divided.
Simpros Okinda, Ramogi TV.
Duol mochung'ne keyo yedhe pacho kae KEMSA bando piny owacho mag counties ma pacho kae ndio omenda maromo